The most obvious letter of the alphabet is for algorithm. If you have an Airbnb or a Vrbo or a vacation rental, you have an algorithm. No matter what platform you're posting your vacation rental on, you have to learn how to beat the algorithm. B, not for booking, but for bylaws. Every city, every state has bylaws that you need to abide by if you have a short-term rental. C is for check-in times. Make sure you have your standard check-in times posted on your listing. And yes, you'll have the occasional guest that thinks they could check in at any time, but make sure you're strict about your check-in times. D is for dynamic pricing. Make sure you get a subscription to a dynamic pricing tool to help you get the best rate for every night. You guys would never believe this. Blooper, look at Otto. E is for EV chargers. There are so many guests and consumers that now have EV cars, so make sure as an added amenity, add in a charge. F is for feedback. Do not get discouraged when a guest is telling you something about your home. First of all, you're never gonna make every guest happy, and honestly, take into consideration all the feedback because ultimately, they're letting you know this for a reason. G are for guidebooks. Guidebooks are super important in making sure that your guests know where everything is in the house, and it honestly just makes for a very, very seamless arrival experience. H is for hotel style amenities. Every guest wants to be in luxury. They want the best of the best. So make sure you spend a little extra, get those really nice towels and really great hotel quality linens. I is for insurance. If you're a homeowner, make sure you have some sort of coverage in your policy if you're doing a short-term rental. J is for journey. Every Airbnb host has a different journey, a different story, and guys, just embrace it. We all have the hiccups and we all have the success stories, so enjoy your Airbnb journey. K is for keyless entry. We personally like the August Smart Lock. Link is down below. It makes life so much easier and you don't have to do a key exchange. L is for lockbox. It goes right into correlation with K for keyless entry. Even if you have a keyless entry system, you still need a lockbox to put your spares in because it will malfunction one day. M is for MBX Homes. No, I'm just kidding. M is for management services. Honestly, if you want to really have a smooth operation, it might be best to invest in a co-host or a management company like us. N is for that nosy neighbor. If you're gonna have an STR, make sure that your neighbors are aware of what's going on. Yes, you're gonna always have that one nosy neighbor, but they may come in handy one of these days. O is for occupancy rates. If you have an occupancy rate lower than 50%, call your girl. P is for Otto. He knows what P stands for.
Hi, Mom.
P is for PITA guest. If you know, you know. Q is for quality control. Make sure if you're running different Airbnbs, you have some sense of quality control when it comes to cleanliness, maintenance, and just your overall operation. R is for reviews. It is super important that you review all of your guests as soon as you get the good or the bad report from your cleaners. Also, you want to make sure that your guests review you because superhost status is a thing and it is important. S is for, I was going to put scammers, but we could do better and say S is for systems. Make sure you have some SOPs in place for all of your properties. T is for travelers. Without the traveler, you would have no business. U is for user-friendly. Make sure that all of your systems, your Bluetooth speakers, your TVs, your coffee machine are honestly just user-friendly. Because the worst thing is for a guest is to have some difficult type of system that they have no idea how to use. V is for verification. We honestly only book verified guests on Airbnb. W is for Wi-Fi speed. Make sure you're testing your Wi-Fi speed and uploading those results to your Airbnb profile. X is for extra amenities. Make sure you're going above and beyond because competition is fierce and we want to make sure that you are getting booked because you have all the fun amenities in your home. Y is yes to pets because look at this little face. How could you say no? No, but honestly, most pet owners are pretty responsible and do take care of your home. Just charge a really good cleaning fee or a pet fee and make sure no damage is done to the home. Yes, Otto just got neutered. And his little surgical outfit. And Z. As much fun as we have hosting guests and being great hosts, we have to make sure you do have zero tolerance policy, zero parties, whatever that tolerance policy is, Make sure you stay stern and you implement it. And now you know your Airbnb ABCs. Oh my God, someone put me on Sesame Street because that actually rhymes.
Musketeers, I want you to look at this word. It says no, okay?
But no, honestly, there is a whole other lingo when it comes to real estate between Airbnbs, and maybe we should make one about real estate terms. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions on any of these definitions, make sure to book a one-on-one call because we'd love to know about your Airbnb journey and where you're at with your Airbnb. Best of luck.